Hello everyone.
Hey guys, welcome to FoodArtTech channel.
Today's video will be very special and it's on the occasion of Easter celebration.
And we have many surprises for you.
Stay tuned.
Before starting, I want to know a few things about Easter, how they are celebrating it, and what are the beliefs behind this occasion.
Oh yes. So this time we do have a special guest with us and she is from Canada.
Are you talking about Susan?
Yes.
Oh,
And we closely follow her.
yes, she is a brilliant one, huh? I tell you.
And she makes a lot of DIY arts, crafts videos every week. And
Very inspirational. I am inspired by her. So, is she coming here with us?
yes, she is joining with us in a moment.
Oh,
Hi.
hello.
Hey guys, Susan here, coming to you all the way from Canada.
We were just talking about you, and there you come. So you do have quite a few
Yes.
questions, right?
First of all, happy Easter to you.
Happy Easter.
And I have few questions. So I want to know, how do you celebrate Easter? And is there any cultural belief do you have?
How do I celebrate Easter? Well, I guess with family and friends. We get together, most often. Life gets really busy after Christmas again, so we probably haven't seen each other since then. And so it's nice to get back together again and catch up.
Okay, so another thing I want to know, what is the significance of Easter eggs? I have seen many in many videos.
The significance of Easter eggs. Okay, well, I guess when the kids were small, and you have small children, the Easter bunny comes to your house, I guess early morning or maybe at night, and leaves eggs for the little kids to find. Some people actually decorate the eggs as well, which is fun. That way you can do egg decorating, maybe a week or so before Easter. With the kids, you can do more of a simple kind of Easter egg decorating, and then you can leave those on display as part of your Easter decor if you're decorating your house or making a little centerpiece or something like that. So that's kind of fun.
Oh, now I know. Okay, so what is your plan for this Easter? What are you going to make?
What is my plan for Easter this year? Well, I guess getting together with family and friends, having lots of food, conversations, just seeing people that you haven't seen in a while, and if there are little kids, you buy some chocolate for them. But I will bring a side dish of some kind, either a big salad or a vegetable dish. This year I'm going to be bringing my sweet potato with basil, which is really, really yummy, and everybody kind of likes it. Typically how we celebrate Easter is by just getting together and having a great meal.
Oh, that is quite wonderful.
I was not knowing all this. So guys, do watch her video. We will provide the link in the description box and upper card. So see what she is making and do subscribe her also.
As we are celebrating Easter for the first time, so what we are preparing today?
Of course it is Easter, so something related to that?
I guess, is it a cake?
Yes, exactly. We are going to make a pure vegetarian cake, and it will be based on the theme of Easter eggs.
Oh, that will be very delicious.
Yes. And the name is, can you guess?
Easter carrot cake.
Yes, Easter special carrot cake. To make carrot cake, we will need very few ingredients like cake mix, milk, finely grated carrot, some long grated carrot or carrot shavings like this, chocolate and butter. This carrot and chocolate will be used in decoration, while we will make cake with these ingredients. First of all, I have melted the butter. This is 50 gram of butter. Cake mix, if you don't have, then you can check my Danish dream cake video, where I have written the recipe for preparing a cake mix. Next is milk and grated carrot. We will use this carrot shavings and this egg-shaped chocolates. Will make a nest-like structure. Our Easter special carrot cake is ready. Enjoy with your family. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel FoodArtTech, and please share these recipes with your friends and family.
Let it go, make my body go, take our bodies higher.